Here is how to convert picture to Excel. As you can see, this is the picture I want to convert into Excel file. All you have to do is go to your browser, search for image to Excel. Now click on the second website, image to Excel. Here you will have the option to upload JPG or a PNG file. Now open up your file. Wait for the process. Now scroll down and select the format you want. You can either choose CSV or an Excel and click download. Now open up your file. As you can see, all of the pictures data is now extracted to Excel file. And this is how you extract image text to an Excel file.